How to lose weight fast for teens. Teenagers have a lot of energy and can very easily lose weight in relatively short period of time. Teenagers are always surrounded by unhealthy food choices. In this video, I will be share 6 steps for fast weight loss for teens. Number 1. Start eating breakfast. Some teens think skipping breakfast is a very quick way to shut down. However, eating breakfast will jump-start your metabolism and prevent overeating during the day. Choose a meal that has protein for staying power, such as an egg white omelette with mozzarella cheese, fruits, and milk. High fiber foods such as whole wheat toast and whole wheat cereal are also very good options. Number 2. Watching your drinks. Too many sodas, juices, and sport drinks can really add up. Replace with them water. You should have at least 8 glasses of water a day. Water raises out unwanted toxins from your body and keeps your brain sharp. It keeps you hydrated. Number 3. Filling up on fruits and veggies. Most fruits and vegetables are high in fiber and nutrients while low in calories. That means you will fill up faster and eat less. Try having fruits as snacks or before meals to cut calories without feeling hungry. Number 4. Avoid fast food. There is nothing wrong with having occasional burger and fries, but avoid having those types of foods every day. Make them a treat that you only have every now and then. Number 5. Avoiding mindless snacking. If you get hungry in the afternoon, keep your snacks healthy by avoiding candies, cookies, and other tempting sweets. Also pay attention to other reasons you may eat, like being bored, tired, or feeling low. Emotional eating only makes things worse and doesn't make your problems go away. Number 6. Exercise every day. Get at least 1 hour of exercise every day, even it is just taking a long walk. Choose activities that you enjoy. An easy way to lose weight quickly and meet the daily physical activities requirements is by joining an afternoon school athletic team. Basketball, tennis, track, and other organized activities will assist in burning calories and losing weight quickly. Enlist your friend to join you on your journey to lose weight. If you are embarrassed about asking them to help you out, just ask if they want to go to the gym with you. And don't spend your days sitting on a couch watching TV. Fast weight loss will only be achieved by diet and exercise. And if you are seriously looking for fast and natural weight loss solution, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.